back to another video. Today we're gonna be I'm gonna be showing you guys loading and firing this. Careful, kids. I'd recommend doing this. Having this type of thing at probably 10 or up, because you'll see why. Okay, and just know that I'm doing this very carefully, okay? And this is not to be taken very seriously. This is only for entertainment purposes and a tutorial purpose. So without further ado, let's get started. Oh, and I also want to say one more thing. There will be some loud sounds and a little bit of flashing lights from this thing because it doesn't really operate the best, but I'm being careful, okay? So without further ado, let's get started. So first off, you load it with something like this. So you take it out like that. Do not put this part in. Put this part in. And then you put it in. So you put it in like this. See these? So you put it in like that. And then you have it like that. Close it like that. And then be very careful. One little pull with this trigger, and it can cause a whole line of reactions. But okay, without further ado, let's start shooting this thing. So ready? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's one of the big things with this, is that it can, it just like popped out. So, okay, let's try that again. 3, 2, 1, go. Huh, that's weird. Didn't even go. Okay guys, sorry about that, but let's try that again. See that? That's what I mean. Okay, that's one round. And if you want to take a look, after, before, after. So without further ado, we're going to be putting in another one. And just like that, done. Oh wait, we still got a little bit. Still got a little bit more. Sorry guys, but why is it not firing? Oh shit. Shit. So as you can see, this round is not working very well, so let's try that again. Okay, so I guess that round's done. Let's go ahead and pop out another one. Same thing as before. Insert, like that. Clip it like that. Oh wait, it didn't go in properly. And And just before I shoot this, I do want to say another thing. Do not carry these around in your pocket. It's for safety purposes. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, that's all for now. Bye, guys.